Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is October 13th at about 1 in the afternoon. Let's talk about Resorts World Las Vegas. Let's go. Before we get started, a little admin business. I wanted to give a big shout out to Simone from Australia. I was in the Peppermill parking lot and she and her family stopped by to say hello. It's always nice to meet people outside when I'm out and about making a video. All right, now, Resorts World. This will be the first mega resort to be built on the Strip since 2010, being the Cosmopolitan. Okay. Originally, this resort was going to be $7.2 billion, 4 towers, and 6,500 rooms. It's been scaled back to 3 towers and 3,400 rooms. Now, the theme, it was to be a Chinese theme at first, but now they say it may be an Asian theme, and someone says it's not going to be any theme, so I really don't know. The latest thing I saw from someone in charge was a video from the Moro Equipment Company. And their video said Chinese theme opening in late 2020. I presume those guys would know. All right, now take a few scenes, back in a flash. And there you have it. It does look like it's making some progress, but on the outside, it's really hard to tell for the layman who can't go inside and see what's happening on the interior. So maybe it'll be on time, maybe it won't be on time. I don't know. I don't know who really knows for the guys in charge. And as far as what they're releasing is that, hey, 2020. Well, there you have it. So maybe they'll come online with 2020, into 2020, and the circa, which is also due into 2020 to come online. And the Caesars Forum is due in 2020, which, by the way, I read that somewhere that the NFL draft, I believe, will be held at Caesars 2020, or Caesars Forum, which is just behind the link. So 2020 is going to be a bang-up year if everything comes online when it should. All right, you guys, I remain your favorite host, OneManOneCamera. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello back. Take care. Wherever you are, have a great day. All right, and now I'm going to lunch, and today we're dining at a place called Thai street food. Now, I have never been here before, but the one gentleman, Poker Kraut, has come here many times. It was very, very delicious, so I'm going to give it a try. If it's bad, I will talk to him, or I will find him and talk to him directly. And also, it's supposed to be at a good price, okay? All right. Have a great day wherever you are. Cheers. Bye.